So hello everyone, welcome back to another lessons on computer vision and so on. So in today's lessons we are going to write a program to Gaussian blur. So it's called removing the noise from the images. Okay, so we are going to write code for this, and this is a very basic step. Like first we have to import the library, then read the images, then apply the Gaussian blur to images on different kernel size. Okay, and then display the original one. Okay, so let's just start writing the code. Okay, so you already know how the what is the Gaussian blur. I'm not going to discuss the algorithm, just I'm going to write the code how to implement Gaussian blur in Python with the help of OpenCV library. Okay, so our first step is to import CV2 library. Okay, then after loading the image, okay, so image equal to CV2 dot imread. So this is imread the function. Imread function provide to load the images or read the images. Okay, so I have already some sample images. Okay, so I will use any of these. So let me show some of the images. So let me suppose these images there is many images. So some sample images I have already downloaded from the internet. Okay, I will try to show one by one. Okay, 2 or 3 we will take the sample images and then .jpg, right? So this images we are going to use, and then we are going to apply the blur. So sometimes blur is also called removing the noises. So if we are applying others algorithm, so we will get the clear pictures. So what is try to say but sometimes Gaussian blur is work as a smoothing and removing the noises of the images, or maybe it remove the more detailing of the images as well. Okay, so let me call this one blurred image. Okay, and then cv2 dot Gaussian blur. Okay, and then inside this function we have to pass the src, so image. Okay, then we have to pass the kernel size. Okay, so kernel size decide the intensity of the how depth, what are the impact of different kernel size based on your need and the requirement of the. Okay, and so what is meaning of 0? Okay, so 0 refer to the standard deviation of the Gaussian kernel in x directions. Okay, so if we have to decide some a standard deviation as well, so we are taking the standard deviation as 0. Okay, for this kernel size. Fine, and then after we are going to write our code for display. Okay, so display. Fine, then after we are going to write the code for closing window for. Okay, fine, so let me show you the images. We are going to use these images. Okay, so you can see this image is little bit noisy, or we can say, or whatever this original images have detailing, and in after applying Gaussian blur we will get some other images that will have some more less, they have some blur effect, also less detail of the images. Okay, so let me run this one. Okay, so you can see this is our blur images. Okay, so you can see this is our original images, this one is our blur images. Okay, and if you press any key, so let's press the key, so it's a window is closed. Okay, because we are opening the window file image view with the help of code, so we have to close with the help of code. So this line of code help to close. So if you press any key from the keyboard, so your open window preview view will be closed. Okay, so let me increase the kernel size. Okay, so kernel size always should be in odd numbers. Okay, and it should be positive. Okay, so let's apply the other detail. Okay, so this one is blur. So you are thinking, okay, so we are getting more and more blurry images. Okay, so let's close this one, and if let's suppose 25 by 25, so we will get it means we are removing more, not removing, we are hiding more details of the images. Okay, so you can see we are getting more blurry images. Okay, but sometimes if you decrease the size, okay, so sometimes it's also called, removing the noises, or it's also called smoothing, okay, or blurring. So if you want to more details, you will get the idea. If you are digital, if you know the digital image processing concept, so you will get the more idea. Okay, so this is our concept. So, or how to implement a Gaussian blur in the Python using OpenCV. Okay, so this is the very simple program. So in coming video I will cover more and more, what are the different noise removing techniques available over the images. Okay, so that can be possible. So next video I will discuss the other technique. Okay, so thank you for watching. Let's meet in another one.